So this is the ingredients for the Vietnamese peanut dipping sauce. And we have here crushed peanuts, garlic and red chili peppers. We have peanut butter. We have water. We have hoisin sauce and sesame oil. And this one needs to be cooked, and these need to be minced up and cut up. And we're gonna show you how we make this. This is probably one of the favorite sauces that most people like for their spring rolls. So here we are in our kitchen, and we have the pan on, just a regular frying pan. We're gonna put in some sesame oil. Let it heat up. You always start with, in Vietnamese cooking, in Asian cooking in general, you start with, putting in the garlic and other things like that into the oil. And have it cooked together. So you can let this kind of all cook together. Just cook it until it's just been a little bit cooked. Kind of smell the aroma. Doesn't take very long. So that'll be for about 5 minutes. You leave it for about 5 minutes here. It's about 5 minutes to cook up. So we'll come back in a few minutes. You can see how it's getting to be a little bit slightly brown. This is the way you kind of want it to be as you're cooking it. We're getting almost done here. I'm going to add in the hoisin sauce. Put in the peanut butter. Doesn't really matter what order. You could decide to do the water first. It's important. The main thing is you get it all mixed up. She wants it to be able to melt a little bit in the pan. You want to make sure it really mixes together well. Next, we're going to put in the water. You see the way it's all cooking together here? We're going to put in about 1 cup of water. And then have it all cook and mix together. So we just keep mixing here until it's all blended well together. working with it. At the very end, we'll just put in the peanuts. You can just turn it off or turn on low and let it mix in. And that's how you make the peanut dipping sauce. Very simple to make, and as a final one, she's putting in some chilies here. We like to use the fresh chilies. If you don't want it hot or you can't find the chilies, it'd be okay too. We just like to put the chilies in. And that's it.
Okay.
Your sauce is done. And this is your Vietnamese peanut dipping sauce, ready to be served and eaten on spring rolls or anything you want it to. This is really yummy and great. And you can have it on so many things like chicken, tofu, anything you want. Thank you, friends, so much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you get a chance, check out our blog, A Bus on a Dusty Road. We have a lot of other great recipes there. Thank you.